the afterlife and things like that based on the belief of the previous occupant. And that's just how it goes. That's how so many races have so many different gods, goddesses, and deities. You know, regardless of what the race is, it seems like they just have the different ones that do some of the same stuff, you know. And as we know, it's different type of cultures and different type of things in here. Okay, what else I have here? I'm just spitting, right? What else? Let me see. I think I pretty much covered a whole lot of stuff. The basis of it is focus more so on your line first. All offerings and everything else is always a great thing, right? But the way that it's set up, what I have learned, what they have been teaching me, is it's set up in sections. And some of those things, some of those offerings, they don't actually get to actually experience. If it's set up in certain bloodlines, I mean certain cultures, then if you giving something from, like, let's say for instance, from an Asian culture, do you think your Kemetic ancestors going to get that? No, it's going to them. It's going to whoever you set your intention to. So you need to find the ancestor money from the particular culture that you're trying to connect with. That's what I'm trying to say. All money don't go to the same group. When you look at certain beings and entities on the ancestral money and you see a certain face, you are setting that intention of that's where it goes. And no, that ain't what you want. Like I said, I start from a certain group that's closer to me, and I work my way back. That's what I do. The closest ones to me now is my ancestors, meaning my ancestors as far as slavery days, and a little bit back from there. They the ones that get on the ground level and just really work for me. You know, they just really work for me. They know what it is to struggle. They know what it is to go hungry. They know what it is to go without. They hustlers. They creatives. They all that stuff. They survivors, all that. So I work with them first because they are the closest level to this matrix of where I am. They are the ones that was on the ground that dug in the dirt with me, you know, when I was in other forms. And then I work to other levels because, like I said, it goes through other rankings. It goes through other rankings. And by being like that, I try to go into a certain way. Now, say for instance, if I need something a little bit bigger, I still work with the ones that's closer, because I'm only telling you guys about how I work, how my thing works. But I'm pretty sure it'll work for you too. So I work with the ancestors that's close to me, and then I go out. I go to the other level, you know, as far as the gods, the deities, and then I go far as beyond the Kemetic thing, then I go further out. I go to other cultures, other races, other beings, other interdimensional things. You know, I just work my ways to the different levels. And I guess that's how I sum up this video. It's definitely going to be different sections of this thing. I might add to it and do different things like that. You know, you guys, what I have rituals going on. You can do that. I told y'all it's a ritualistic year where I'm doing all type of rituals, spells. I have spell work that you guys can use. I do tarot readings, ancestor research to get you started on who is in your actual bloodline. It's just, I have all type of stuff that can kind of assist you in this matrix. So information is going to be in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.